with 1.5 cups of unbleached whole wheat flour. And this is the way you measure your flour, because if you put too much flour into the liquid, it's going to be really stiff or thick. I just pre-measured about 1.5 cups, but this is what I like to do is you get a tablespoon and then you get the excess off. So that's 1 tablespoon, and we're gonna do that until we get 1.5 cups. 2. The other ingredients you can kind of not be as exacting, but the flour pretty much want to be on point. It's 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I use the aluminum-free baking powder. 1, 2, pinch of salt. For today, 1/2 cup brown sugar. And then I'm gonna sift it into my bowl. All of the dry ingredients. Now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of orange juice. Set this aside. I'm going to break up 1 small banana. My blueberry muffins are loaded. Let's just mash that up real well. Add that to my wet ingredients. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of baking soda. I meant to add that earlier, forgot it. So let's hope that comes out okay. So you know I really have to blend this well. So I'm going to do that before I add any more liquid. Just blend that 1 teaspoon of baking soda. We have the 2 teaspoons of baking powder, but I also wanted to add that baking soda. That looks good. I'm adding 1/2 cup of non-dairy milk. Today I'm using almond milk, about 1/2 cup. And we'll stir that, and if I have to add more liquid, I'll add more milk. Then our last ingredient, 1 cup of fresh blueberry. Now how is that? So you can put these blueberry muffins with my paw sunrise scrambles, or I call them no egg, eggless scrambles. I'm gonna give you a link to that. These are really good, Miss Dad. They're sweet. They're good.